In 2022, when the whole world's attention was focused on the Russia-Ukraine war, another country in the eastern corner of Asia was busy creating very dangerous weapons. Weapons were unheard of before. This small country, located right next to China, is North Korea. In 2022, North Korea tested 90 ballistic missiles, out of which 8 were intercontinental missiles. This means that their range was so extensive that they could hit targets from one continent to another. Then on March 24, 2022, North Korea fired an intercontinental missile that went 6,000 kilometers above our atmosphere and then came back down, landing in the Sea of Japan, very close to the Japanese island of Hokkaido. This is a total distance of about 12,000 kilometers. No other Asian country has missiles with such a long range. After this missile experiment, there was a great uproar in America. Now geographically, if we look at America, it is very far from the rest of the world with oceans on both sides. If we observe from the western and African side, there is the 5,000 kilometers wide Atlantic Ocean in between. And if we look from the eastern side, there is this 10,000 kilometers wide Pacific Ocean. Now being so far from the rest of the world has been very beneficial for America. And this is the reason why no one has ever directly attacked the United States in any world war. Only Japanese Air Force was able to reach the American Pacific Fleet when they attacked Pearl Harbor. Now the impact of these missile experiments was so significant that the very next day, the American and South Korean Air Forces conducted a joint patrol from Korea to Japan. These intercontinental missiles mean that the entire USA is now within North Korea's target range. However, this is just one small reason why attacking North Korea is so difficult. In today's video, we are going to share with you facts that will make you realize that conquering North Korea is not just difficult, but almost impossible. In 2022, North Korea didn't just test intercontinental missiles, but on October 4th, North Korea also tested a short-range ballistic missile that flew over Japan and landed 4,600 kilometers away in the Pacific Ocean. This short-range ballistic missile meant that North Korea can now easily target American military bases in Japan, South Korea, and Guam. And on top of this, North Korea is also working on tactical nuclear missiles. Tactical nuclear missiles are very different from normal nuclear missiles. First, their size is very small and they can hit targets at a short range. Secondly, they do not require a submarine or a special jet to launch. They can be easily launched from a normal missile vehicle. Thirdly, unlike a normal nuclear bomb, which requires the approval of the president or prime minister, a tactical nuclear missile only requires the approval of a commander, and this is because while normal nuclear bombs can destroy entire cities, tactical nuclear weapons are designed to target specific things like an enemy base or a whole battalion. North Korea knows very well that if it goes to war with South Korea and America and fires an intercontinental nuclear missile at America, American submarines will retaliate with 3 to 4